Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm back with the part 3 video for explaining a numpy libraries inside of Python code. In the past videos show you how we can create a number of array datas, and then also in the past video I show you some mathematical operation, how can we do mathematical operation with those number of arrays. But in today's video I will going to continue I will going to show you in this video how can we work with the dot multiplication, and then also I will show you other stuff. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, I'm back with the code, and as you can see here we do write some codes to explain these libraries. And if you are seen this warning before when I explain, I got here none value is because it is 0, and 0 divided by 0 means undefined, so that's why I get this error. But now let's multiply our vectors with another. To do that we can use numpy dot and then we can pass the vectors we want to multiply, and I will going to show you. We want to multiply data with the data, and does that work? Let's show. Okay, let's run. Okay, it says because we take some break, so that's why it's we have to run the code again, and it is printed out here. Okay guys, don't worry about this error. Let's run before this, and as you can see here it does not going to multiply because our data is have more than 2 dimension. As you can see we have 3, so let's decrease the number, not here. Okay, where is the data? Here. So let's just delete this one, and let's delete the extra bracket. Okay, now we have a same function, but instead of 1 we just want to multiply data with data. Okay, as you can see here this is a dot product. I mean, it's going to take too much time to explain how the dot product is work, but instead of showing you that, if you want to know how the dot product is work, just search in the Google YouTube and watch some videos, and you're going to understand how that work. But what I want to show you in here is how we can apply that knowledge in the code. That's what I want to show you here. Okay, but I will going to explain a little bit here. Okay, we have let's see the shape of our data. Okay, if I run this one, we have 2 by 2 by 2, and okay, I think there's something wrong here. Oh, it's because how it's become 2 by 2. I think it's because I did not run the code, maybe. yep, it is 2 by 2 by 2. And okay, I don't know how 3-dimension is multiply, how that work, but I will going to show you only how the 2 multiplication is work. What's going to do is here, first we're going to multiply this one with this 3 and 2, and this the first. It's hard to explain, just like this. Okay, just let me tell you. Okay, for the first place, here, this is 23 come here is because 3 times 3, which means 9, and then 7 times 2 will be 14, and 40 plus 9 will going to be 23, and that's how these numbers come. I'm not, like I said before, I'm not going to explain deeply because it is hard, a little bit hard topic to explain. That's not the idea of this video. I'm just trying to show you how you can apply that knowledge into the code. That's the whole part of this goal for this video, and that's how we can use dot product in numpy. The second thing I want to show you in this video is how you can analyze your numpy array data, and also you can also use this one for pandas libraries. But to do that, you can just say, for example, let's say we want to see the max of the data, the max number of the data array, and as you can see it is 7. And if we come here and if we look at here, it is 7. And then also we can also see the mean. As you can see here, it is 2, and we can say see the sum. It is 17 when all of them are sum, it will going to become 17. We can also see the mean for the data, and if you look at it will be 4.27, and we can analyze our data or numbers by using those stuff. And if you are wondering how you can find those syntax, I will going to give you those links, website. You can get the libraries, whatever syntax you want to see. If you are forgetting, or if you are learning, if you want to learn about, let's just go to the home, and this is the link. You can screenshot or you can type it with your phone, and this is where you can find this the syntax to see. As you can see, we have array objects, and we will explain deeply more than I can. Okay, we have all stuff here. We're going to show you the example and some other stuffs. You can find it from here. And if you bet for machine learning, to start machine learning, if you know this stuff very well, I think you are a good shape for numpy knowledge, and you can but in the next video I will going to show you also the other key thing to know from the numpy libraries, and I will going to show you that in the next part video, and see you there. Goodbye.